itself is a journey, a race to success. Evermarkhomes and Property is a story. Have you been following our social media handles? Have you seen our Tell It All on our social media? Tell It All is a series that's going to bring you closer to Evermarkhomes and Property. It's going to bring out the faces behind Evermarkhomes and Properties. You're going to be meeting our consultants, our clients, even our architecture. It's going to bring you closer to what real estate in Evermark is all about. Today, we're going to be bringing in founder of Evermarkhomes and Property to the show. He's going to be answering some questions to bring you more closer to Evermarkhomes and Property, like I said before. Thank you, your host, Anita Wadiajuekene.
I'm Dr. Ibrahim Adekunle by name, MDCO Evermarkhomes and Properties Limited. 4 years ago, I was working as Babaijebu Lotto attendant. Back then, as with the burden of being the firstborn out of 8 children, back then I need to work very, very hard to make sure I send money home from the little of 800 naira I earn daily. I send money home weekly and most times monthly to at least to assist my parents and my junior ones who are actually going to school at that time. And also I realized that the Bluetooth Baba Jebo can actually provide and give me more of what I actually want. Then I actually started to be a real estate agent, a part-time real estate agent, like the street agent that will take people out and then to show them around so that they can be able to actually rent their apartment back then. And from there I actually grew the interest to actually do more. I realized a lot of flaws that is actually into helping people getting an affordable housing. And then by putting our little effort gradually, thank God we're actually here today. One, I'm fearless, I'm a go-getter, and then I'm daring. The reason why the 3 words actually describe me is because I believe whatever you don't dare can be there for you. Or whatever you dare, whatever you put your mind at to actually get, no matter what in this world, you will get it. It's only what your heart and then what your capacity can actually accommodate, what your thinking capacity can accommodate, you can get it. So ask the billionaires, ask the millionaires that we have outside there. They were daring, they were fearless, and then also they were go-getters. 2 years ago, Evermark actually started this amazing company. It was a rough and a tough journey so far. As at then, when we started Evermarkhomes and Properties, we had a very huge dreams of which we were able to at least pass on to the Evermark team back then. And I let them realize that this is a huge dream. We'll be reaching not only Nigeria, we'll be reaching out to the whole continent, around the world. And thank God today we've been able to reach out to the whole world. Because 2 years ago, nobody actually believed in Evermarkhomes. There are a lot of people I actually reached out to support the dream of this great company. Most people look down on us that this young guy, what can he actually achieve? How far can he go? And thank God today, they are really amazed to what we've actually achieved. They are really amazed and really wowed to what Evermarkhomes and Properties are actually achieved. One of our major objectives and targets back then was to make sure Evermarkhomes becomes an household name, solving real estate problem, not only in Nigeria and also in diaspora. And today I can confidently say 85% of our trusted and reliable clients and database, they are diaspora clients, which trust the integrity of Evermarkhomes and Properties. You know, everybody knows what it takes for foreign investors to trust in a young brand like this, because they know of our integrity, they've heard of our integrity, they've heard of our delivery and perfection. It's really been an amazing journey and a tough one and a challenging journey so far for the past 2 years to where we are today.
Hello guys, hope you enjoyed today's episode on Tell It All with Evermarkhomes and Property. Don't forget to follow our social media handles so you don't miss out on the next episode coming up soon. Don't forget to like, don't forget to follow, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!